Tonight on MAPS, the Mathematical Application Process, the Debunked Spirit team visits a private home where the residents claim the ghost of a Civil War Confederate spy still haunts the house she used to own. In this episode, the team will come face to face with something truly extraordinary. Will MAPS be able to use mathematical reasoning to debunk these claims, or will the team be faced with something they can't explain?
Mr. Smith?
Yeah.
Hey, good evening. I'm Steven. This is Kelsey. We're with MAPS.
Great, I've been waiting for you. Come on in.
What kind of experiences have you had? How do you know it's Elizabeth's ghost?
Well, most of the activity occurs here in this room. And over here by this table, I see a light that kind of goes side to side. So if I see that light move side to side, then it must be a ghost, right? And then also, I hear a female's voice sometimes in my ear. I hear a female's voice if and only if it's Elizabeth's ghost.
What does the voice say?
It says, "Children, come inside."
Anything else?
Also, sometimes I can hear noises and footsteps in the attic. If I hear noises upstairs, then it must be a ghost.
Okay, let's set up and start the investigation. Elizabeth, are you here? If you are, can you speak into this recorder?
Did you see that?
Yeah, it looked like a light. Yeah, I think I did hear it.
It sounded like a woman's voice. Wait a minute, let me see what happens when I open these blinds. I think I know what's causing this. The reflection coming off the cars passing by is creating a shadow on the wall, but that could be interpreted as a ghost. Wait, do you hear something?
Children, come inside.
It's a mother outside yelling for her kids to come in.
Huh, that solves that problem. I think we've been here long enough. Let's put the information we gathered together and come up with a logical conclusion.
Welcome back. Interested to hear what you guys have to say?
Okay, we gathered the information, and this is what we came up with. You said, if I saw the shape move from side to side, then it must be a ghost. However, a conditional P then Q statement is false if the hypothesis P is true and the conclusion Q is false. It only takes one counterexample to prove the statement false. We are able to determine the shadows you saw are caused by a mirror reflecting the headlights of passing cars.
Well, I guess that makes sense.
You also said, if I can hear a female's voice in my ear, if and only if it's Elizabeth's ghost. A biconditional statement is true when both P, then Q, and Q, then P are true. I discovered the voice you heard to be one of your neighbors calling to her kids to come inside. Therefore, the P, then Q statement is false.
Finally, you said, if I can hear noises in the attic, it must be a ghost.
What was that?
We have no idea.
We're unable to prove or disprove this last statement by deductive reasoning.